Hi, to remove viruses on the POCO F6, as a first step, you would need to find the security app on your phone. So let's just enter security, and this is how it looks. Now launch it, and first thing we can do is to go in the cleaner, and here check just amount of megabits we can clean. For example, we can clean up 382 megabits for now. So let's do it. I'm gonna tap this option, and now we are waiting a couple of seconds and it just finished cleaning. So now go back, then go in the security scan, and here our phone will be checked for the viruses. So in my case, everything looks good. And let's move on to the next feature, which is boost speed. Here we can see the amount of cache, and after that we can enable the option to boost speed by tapping it like that. And this is how it looks. So we just freed up 2.9 gigabits, which is quite impressive. Now let's go back here and go in the deep clean. So here you can see how many megabits or gigabits each of these sections took. For example, deleted videos is 13.81 megabits and so on. And with the help of cleaning those tabs, you can free up some space. For example, you can go in uninstall apps. Here, just enable some of them and uninstall them and free up some space. And after that, we can also go in the battery and here check our battery. And from the current mode battery saver, switch to the balanced one. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.